Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be outside making these bomb Louisiana dry rub chicken wings. These are grilled. They can also be done in the air fryer. So bomb, so good. 10/10. You gotta make this. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also leave a like if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let's get started. Before I get started with the recipe, I want to let you guys know all of the ingredients and the measurement will be found in the description box below. I'm using about 4 pounds of wings. I went ahead and washed them with lime and vinegar and rinsed them off very nicely, and then I pat them dry with a napkin, okay? And then we are going to separate the chicken wings by cutting the joint. Now, because we're going to be cooking outside, I am going to transfer the wings to a bowl. Once I'm done, I am going to drizzle some olive oil on the wings just to help the seasoning stick. Then I'm going to give it a nice mix just like so. And then we're going to be using our homemade dry rub, okay? Now, this is my homemade dry rub. I'm using onion and garlic powder, smoked paprika, ground black pepper, oregano, cumin, cayenne pepper, some brown sugar, and also some seasoned salt. Okay, I am going to mix it just like that. Then I'm going to generously sprinkle it all over the wings. If you are using an air fryer or a gas grill, like I will be using, if you're looking for that smoky flavor on your wings, you can use some liquid smoke on the wings as you seasoning them. It will add that nice smoky flavor on there. Or if you're using a charcoal grill, you don't have to worry about that, obviously. Now I'm going to cover the wings with a saran wrap, place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or longer if you have the time. Then I'm going to head outside with the wings. I am using half an onion just to rub on the grill. That will help your chicken not stick on the grill and give it a little flavor as well. And then I am going to place the wings on there, okay? I'm going to be cooking the wings for about 10 minutes per side. Now this is about 10 minutes later. I am going to flip them over. I'm cooking them on medium low because my grill is very strong. Like it's hot, it's extremely hot. So you have to keep in mind not to overcook them or even cook the outside before the inside can be cooked. Okay, so now I'm going to flip them over. They're looking good so far. The wings are looking so delicious right now, and the smell I cannot take it. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to remove them and place them to a nice large bowl because you need some space when you're tossing them into the dry rub. So now this is how they looking so far. I am going to use the same exact dry rub that I show you guys, but I'll be using a teaspoon of each and place that in there and toss your wings into the dry rub. Okay, toss, make sure the chicken is well coated with the dry rub. And basically, you guys, this is the recipe. It's so bomb, it's so good, it's so flavorful. You can make this in the air fryer, like I said, the oven or a grill. Try it out, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try this out. Also, let me know down below what y'all making for 4th of July. I would love to know. And hit this video with a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.